Hi, bestie. I just have this simple hack idea for your if you if you want a jacket for your sleeveless, like the way you're wearing and you need something to cover up. You can use your scarf to make a simple jacket. So it's just a 3 minute hack, no stress, no accessory needed. You just need your scarf and your safety pin. Let's go. So wrap your scarf from the back like this. Did you understand? And then we are going to tie, make sure it's all like this, and you're going to tie it, and make sure you're giving it a double knot. Can make it tight, can make it loose. Your choice. So this is it, right? So you can see at the back is still looking not really like a jacket. So what you have to do, you need two safety pins. You need to grab it at the back, from the back like this. Yeah, you need a little fold and then from this place. And then you need to pin the both of them together. So watch me do it. So simple, no stress. Okay? So I'll be cleaning it inside because I don't want my safety pin to be visible, right? So when it's visible, it doesn't look good. You agree with me, right? So wow. And then you do the same, try to fold in a little, and then safety pin to secure it. You just need a small size safety pin, a small size one will be okay. So mine is big size, it's not going to. Yeah. So this is what we have. You can see how it's covered. It doesn't look like we adjust it here very well. Are you seeing how it looks? It really looks like a jacket. And yeah, is this not beautiful? It's beautiful, right? This is beautiful. Let me know if you're going to try this